Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe at your home. This is Ms. Gunjan Daswani standing before you from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, and I welcome you all to your e-learning classes of English grammar. Okay, so today we are going to do a chapter of your book, that is chapter 21, idioms, which is taken from your book, that is Everyday English Grammar and Composition. And one more thing we will be doing, that is synonyms. So now first of all we will be doing chapter 21, that is idioms, which is given on page number 111 of your book. Okay, so you can open your books to page number 111. Okay, so what are idioms? An idiom, it is a group of words whose meaning is different from the literal meaning of the words in it. Okay, so we have done first to 5 in our ST1, that was the half yearly examination. We have done from 1 to 5 was the part of your half yearly examination. Now we are having 6 to 10. From 6 to 10 onwards, this is the part of your annual examination course. Okay, from 6 to 10 only you have to learn. From here only, this is we are having for annual examination. Okay, so let's see the first one, sixth one, that is on the top of the world. That means is what? That means is extremely happy. When you are very much happy about something, you use the idiom that is on top of the world. Okay, so let's see what sentence is given to us. When Kapil won the geography quiz contest, he was on top of the world. That means when he won the geography quiz contest, he was extremely happy. See eye to eye, have the same opinion or agree fully. When you agree with someone's opinion, when you agree with someone's thinking, and you have the same thinking level, you have the same opinion about something, then you use the idiom that is see eye to eye. Okay, so Ravi and Hiten don't see eye to eye about the sharing of their story books. Means they don't have the same opinion about the sharing of their story books. So, eighth one is spill the beans. That means tell a secret to someone who is not supposed to know it. Means ऐसे person को secret बताना जिसे हमें बताना नहीं चाहिए था. So that's what phrase is used, what idiom is used over here, that is spill the beans. Sonal confided in Rashi about the surprise party she was planning for her brother Sunil. Rashi spilled the beans by telling Sunil. So what she did, she spilled the beans, she told the secret, she told Sunil about the surprise party. That means she spilled the beans. Okay, so that's why we have used the idiom as spilled the beans over here. So ninth one, take the bull by the horns. Deal with a difficult situation directly or boldly. So when you are dealing with the difficult, it's a kind of a very difficult situation for you, and you are dealing with it very directly and very boldly, very strongly. Then the idiom that you will use is take the bull by the horns. Okay, so the inspector took the bull by the horns and arrested the corrupt minister. Means the inspector was facing a very difficult situation when he has to arrest the corrupt minister. Okay, now 10th is at the drop of a hat, immediately without stopping to think about it. When you are doing it very quick. Okay, so at the drop of a hat, the idiom that you will use is at the drop of a hat. Abhinav is ready to help people at the drop of hat. When he is ready to help people every time and very immediately, very quickly. Okay, so we have used the phrase, we have used the idiom over here, that is at the drop of a hat. Okay, so this was the part that is for your annual examination, that is 6th to 10th is the part of your annual examination course. Okay. From 6 to 10. Okay. Now we are going to see the synonyms. You can mark this in your book as well. Okay, that from 6 to 10 this is from the annual examination course for chapter 21, that is from 6 to 10. Okay, now we are going to see the synonyms. So what are synonyms? Synonym is a word. Synonyms are those words which exactly means the same. Okay, when we are talking about the words that have the same meaning, that time they will be called as synonyms. Okay, so first word that is given to us, that is harm. When you hurt someone, okay, so that we have used the word that is harm, and synonym is hurt. जब आप किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाते हो, when you hurt somebody, so that's why harm synonym is hurt. Evil, evil मतलब बहुत बुरा, ठीक है, wrong. So we have used the synonym for evil, that is bad. Okay, third is quiet, that means is चुप हो जाना, silent. So we have used the synonym as silent. Okay, so these both words actually means the same, they exactly means the same or nearly can be similar to each other. Okay, their meanings would be same. So friend, a companion, okay, right, so that's why we have used the synonym as pal. Okay, fifth one is happy. Okay, when you feel pleasure, feeling pleasure or showing pleasure, that is what is the meaning of happy. And glad also means the same, that's why happy synonym is given to us as glad. Sixth is shout. Shout, जब चिल्लाते हैं हम, to cry out loud, that means is shout. Okay, and the synonym for this is yell. Seventh is alike, and the synonym given to us is similar. Okay, same, we can say they both have the same opinion, or I can say same thing, similar kind of. So that's why we have used the synonym as similar over here. Error, okay, that means when you are doing something wrong, okay, so that's what we have used the synonym as mistake. Love, when you have a mutual affection towards someone, when you have affection towards someone, that means is love. And when the synonym for love is adore, that also means the same. Ill, जब आप बीमार होते हो, ठीक है, so ill, and the synonym for ill is sick. These both means what? Same. Now smile. Smile, all of you know, right? And the synonym for smile is grin. 12th one, brave. Brave मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बहादुर, ठीक है? So that's why the synonym we have used for brave, that is courageous. Okay, that also means the same. हिम्मत वाला, ठीक है? So these were the synonyms, and we have done the chapter 21, that is idioms. I hope you have understood the chapter well, and you have to do the synonyms in your fair copy. Okay, you will get the PDF and you have to do the synonyms in your fair copy. Okay, write it neatly. Now stay fit, stay at your home. Thank you.